We will guide you through how to scale a clip in Movavi. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, double-click the Movavi video editor to open the program. After the software opens, click File Import in the upper left corner. Then click the Add Files button and browse your computer for a video that has the same resolution as the current project settings. Click the Open button to continue. Once the import process is complete, the video will appear in the Project Files panel. Drag and drop the video from the Project Files panel onto the timeline section so it is ready for editing. Play the video for a moment, and you will notice that it fills the entire preview window because the video resolution matches the current project resolution of 1920 by 1080. Next, click the drop-down and select Custom Aspect Ratio from the available options. Change the project resolution to a different value than the original video resolution. Click the OK button to save the new project settings. You will now notice black space surrounding the video inside the preview window because the project resolution no longer matches the video resolution. As an example, duplicate the clip on the timeline to create a simple before and after comparison. To scale a clip, right-click the second clip on the timeline. From the menu that appears, select Video Tools, then choose the Position option. Locate the Overlap setting. Adjust only the video scale until the clip fits the frame correctly without changing any other settings. Once you are satisfied with the result, move the timeline playhead back to the beginning of the video. Click the full screen icon to enlarge the preview window for a better view. Open the settings menu and change the preview quality to high resolution preview. Click the play button to preview the completed result and confirm that the scaled clip fits properly.